My name is Veronica. I'm a product manager at Ortto, and today I will show you our brand new feature, custom domain session and click tracking. Previously, Ortto customers could use their domains to send emails from the preferred email address. We extended the custom domain functionality, and now you can use your domains in email links and in the tracking code you place on your website. Let's configure the domain together. As you can see, we moved custom domains from email section to a separate section in the settings. The configuration process is very similar to the one we had before for email custom domain. You need to click Add Domain, select Email Delivery and Tracking, add your domain. We recommend using a subdomain for tracking. And save. The next step is to add these new records at your DNS provider. As the type, select CNAME, copy host and edit as name. Save. Now we need to add 3 more records. Don't worry, it won't take long. We are almost there. Just 2 more records. And the last one. When we add all records, we need to go back to Ortto and verify the domain. It can take a few minutes. Don't stress if you don't see green ticks immediately. While waiting, I want to elaborate on advantages custom domain session and click tracking provide. Using custom domain in tracking links strengthens email deliverability, prevents email blocking and spam issues, increases brand visibility and awareness, and can even improve CTR as users are more likely to click the links they trust. We also strongly recommend using your domains in the tracking code. This will allow tracking data to be collected and processed even if website visitors use ad blockers, and auto capture widgets you use on your website will not be blocked, which means they will reach the target audience. We also added a status label that will help you understand the state of the domain better. You can see 2 statuses here, default and pending. There are 4 more: subdomain pending, domain pending, certificate pending, and certificate expired. Well, let's check again. Perfect. Everything works. We see all green ticks here. And we can proceed further. Let's go to the email campaign. I already created an email campaign for us to test. You do not have to configure your tracking domain for this campaign separately. If you configure this domain for tracking, we will use it in email links. As you can see, I use email address with the domain I just added. Let's get to the design stage. As you can see, I have a button here that should lead users to mystore.com. Let's send test email. Great, I got the email. Let's check what the check-in link looks like. When I hover over the button, you can see the check-in link in the bottom left corner. The link contains the domain we added. In case your domain stops working for some reason, you should not worry. As a backup, we will use your default domain or Ortto domain instead. Now I will show you how you can get the check-in code with the custom domain. Go to your check-in domain, and if you have more than one domain, you will see this drop down. Select the domain you want and copy the code. The code will contain the domain you've selected. All customers on paid plans can add up to 10 custom domains. You can also try this new feature if you are on a business, pro, or campaign trial. That's it for today. Feel free to contact our support team if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.